Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your friends in Snapchat without knowing their username. Now if you want to delete them without using that, now you can, but it's going to be a bit of long process. But follow the step. First thing is you have to open Snapchat, and after you open Snapchat, you want to go on the chat section. And on the chat section, what you want to do is click on your profile pic at the top left corner, or also known as your Bitmoji. Once you click on it, scroll a bit down, and over here you can see this option called My Friends. Click on My Friends, and on My Friends, all your friend over here on your friend list is going to be shown. Now I only have this little friend, that's why it's only showing me this much, but if I had a lot of friends, I just had to scroll. So without using their username is you have to come over here on your friends list and then just scroll and search for their name. Once you see their name, you can just hold on their name and click on this option called Manage Friendship and click on Remove Friend and click on Remove, and they will be removed from your friend list. Now this is the only way to delete your friend in Snapchat without knowing their username, because if you knew their username, you could just type over here at the top where it says Find Friend and you can search for them easily. But since we don't know their username, we have to search for them manually. So it's going to take a bit of long time if you have a lot of friends in Snapchat. But if you have less friends just like me, you can easily see it. So that's how you guys can delete your friends in Snapchat without their username. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.